So mga kababayan, sa hindi po nakapanood po ng House of Representative hearing, is nabanggit po dito na ayon po sa investigasyon ng Kongreso, buti pa nga yung Kongreso maayos no? Regarding sa investigasyon nakapag-conclude po sila na si Michael Yang po ay sangkot sa droga at saka sa pogo. Ganyan po tayo binaboy ni Duterte. Di ba? Michael Yang po ginawa pong advisor ni Duterte, yun naman pala sangkot pala sa droga at sangkot po sa pogo. Isipin mo nagpapasok ng mga Chinese si Duterte para babuyin po ang Pilipinas. At ito po ay binunyag ni Congressman Dan Fernandez at saka ni Congressman Abante.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, tama-tama, alas 6 na po. This will not take so long. So I just wanted to present
Mr. Chair, okay na ba? Okay na?
Yes, we will be presenting na.
Gusto kong tanong kung made in China yun.
Hindi ko alam kung saan. Okay, so we will be presenting we collated the different hearings which started last year when Chairman Congressman Ace Barbers under the Committee on Dangerous Drugs have conducted a motu proprio hearing, House Resolution number 1346, directing his committee to conduct the investigation on the 3.6 billion worth of shabu seized in the municipality of Mexico. Okay, doon po ito nag-start, and then we also investigated doon sa public accounts, doon sa mga properties that are being bought in connivance with the LGUs kay Mayor Tumang, and also in relation to the other Mayor Punsalan of San Simon. So it was established also that those so many hectares of land are being bought by the different corporations whose incorporators are proven to be Chinese nationality. So in other words, yung po mga binili nila ay ang bumili po ay mga foreigners. And here we will be showing yung pong matrix na nabuo ng tatlong committee on Dangerous Drugs, Committee on Public Accounts, and the Committee on Public Order during our investigation. It's not only the criminal activities of Pogo and the corporations that was established by the different Chinese nationalities, Chinese people, but there was also drugs involved. And this is the matrix that we wanted to show to everybody. Okay, so please show yung ating matrix, yung tinawag nating dim. Madilim ang ating paligid.
So yan, may matrix.
Dahil meron pong drugs, merong criminal activities, ginamit ang pogo, ginamit ang corporations. These are the connecting matrix that we have established. Lahat po ng blue nito, interconnected sila, intertwined with each other. This Eddie Yang, who is an incorporator of the Empire 999 Realty Incorporated, which was established doon po sa hearing ni Congressman Chairman Ace Barbers, owns the warehouse. Yung korporasyon niyan, yan po may-ari ng warehouse kung saan nakuha ng PIDEA ang 3.6 billion na worth ng shabu.
Yun.
And this Eddie Yang and Willie Ong and Jack T. Yang na incorporators ng Empire 999, ngayon po ang kanilang mga passport were already been revoked. Si Eddie Yang din po ay incorporator. Kaya makikita niyo po yung blue na establish po yung connection hanggang dito sa dulo, mamaya papakita natin. Eddie Yang also is an incorporator who happens to be incorporated with Yang Hua Wang, who is also an incorporator of Yatay International. Yang Hua Wang, with his wife, Kai Jiru, is connected with the Omni. Si Yang Hua Wang, kasama niyang incorporator si Lincoln Uy Ong, who happens to be an incorporator of Parmali.
Parmali.
So yung Parmali po, si Lincoln Uy Ong, kasama niyang incorporator si Gerald Cruz, who is a shareholder of Brick Hearts Technologies, a support provider of Sean Wei Technologies, Pogo owned by Wei Sean Lim, na involved sa Cavite raid of shabu in 2003. Ang financer sa Parmali is Michael Yang. who happens connected with Lincoln Uyong. Pamangkin, yes. Dito po si baba, makikita po natin, baba, uli. Baba, hindi. Taas pala. Taas pa. Hindi. Hindi. Baba, dire-diretso lang pa baba. Sige pa. Yan, okay. Alright. Si A.D. Young, na napatunayan sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs and Public Accounts, na incorporator ng Empire 999, is also an incorporator of Golden Sun 999. At kasama niyang incorporator doon, si Rose Nonolin, who is married to Alan Lim, si Wei Xiong Lin. Sila rin ang incorporator ng Pool Wind Group of Companies na ang chairman po ay si Michael Yang. Together, now, with the brother, Hong Jiang Yang, the brother of Michael Yang, who is also an incorporator of Piley State Group Corporation. So kasama si Rose Nonolin, kasama si Yang Hong Jiang, na kapatid ni Michael Yang, at si Hong Ming Yang, who we believe that is also Michael Yang. But dito po sa Piley Holding Corporation, sila na naman po magkakasama. Si Rose Nonolin, si Wei Xiong Lin, aka Alan Lim, and Hong Ming Yang, aka Michael Yang. Now, ano ang relasyon nila sa Pogo? Baba po natin. According sa, hindi sa report, but sa kaso na na-file ng ABLAC, GR number, AMLA number 00382, noong July 10, 2024, it was established in this case that Alice Go have 36 accounts at meron siyang bank transactions na 29 billion. And according to this case, which is a public document, we were able to get that Hong Jing Yang, the brother of Michael Yang, ay katransaksyon niya si Alice Go with a 3.3 billion na pumasok po sa account nila. So in other words, may mga umikot na pera sa account ni Alice Go at sa account ng kapatid ni Michael Yang na si Hong Jiang Yang. Now, anong relasyon sa PORAC? Because Cassandra Leong at si Wesley Go, ito, hindi pa natin masyadong establish, but according to the report, sila po ay mag-boyfriend.
Teka lang, naputulin ko lang doon, no? So, ibig sabihin pa, si Alice Guo ay connected kay Michael Yang, especially po sa kapatid ni Michael Yang. So, ngayon, ano yung sinasabi dati ni Harry Roque na magkakilala si Michael Yang, na magkakilala si Alice Guo at si Presidente Bongbong Marcos? At yung basihan nga po ni Harry Roque dito is yung picture. Pero in reality pala mga kababayan, no, base po sa congressional hearing po at sa investigasyon po ng Kongreso, is talagang isang buong pamilya po talaga na binababoy po tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Isang buong pamilya na mga Chinese. Kasi parang ganun lumalabas eh. Isang buong pamilyang Chinese yan eh. Ang bumababoy po sa Pilipinas na sangkot sa droga, sangkot po sa pogo, sangkot sa money laundering, sangkot sa human trafficking. Ganyan po tayo binaboy ni Duterte mga streetwise nang hindi po natin alam. Buti pang sa Kongreso mayroong ganito eh. Sa Senado wala po tayong aasahan na ganito. Oo. Continue.
But, of course, we need to establish more about the relation between Alice Go and Cassandra Leong with his brother Wesley Go. Now, ang tanong, yung 29 billion na umikot sa pera o sa bank accounts ni Alice Go and sa bank accounts ni Ho Jing Yang, na brother ni Michael Yang, na 3.3 billion, ay hindi po natin alam kung saan nanggaling yung perang yon at saan pumuntang transaksyon.
Money laundering.
Only the AMLAC knows.
Diba?
But in relation to this case that was filed, dito po lumalabas that there are those bank transactions and money na umikot po. And considering that these people is connected with Michael Yang and Eddie Yang, then somehow we can connect the dots. Unfortunately, hanggang dito lang tayo mga kasama sa ngayon. And the instruction to all of us is to ferret out the truth. And to find out this linkage of the involvement of drugs. And that's the reason why Chairman Ace Barbers is still here, and Chairman Karaps, and even Chairman Akop, and also Chairman Abante, who happens to be the Chairman of the Human Rights, and Chairman Ferrer, because we wanted to find out the truth that drugs is already involved in the operation of Pogo. Because come to think of it, 29 billion, si Alice Go pa lang yun.
Mr.
At
Chair,
umikot sa kanyang 36 accounts.
Mr.
So
Chair.
what more to the others? Okay, Congressman
gusto ko lang malaman
Abante.
kung ano ang ginawa ng SEC sa mga company yan.
Well,
SEC.
Congressman, Chairman, because yung issue yon was established in the committee of Chairman Paduano. The best person to answer that is Chairman Paduano. Please, Chairman Paduano.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. With regards, maganda na rin po, tinanong ni Chairman Abante, no? But first and foremost, I would just like to clear na hindi naman lahat ng mga pangalan dito is involved, no? Sa drugs ba o Pogo. Kaya lang may mga interconnection in different corporations. And of course, yeah, yes, also the giving the due process. Ang problema na kasi dito, most of them are Chinese nationals. Okay? Now, for example, itong link ng Omni, which is an established legitimate corporations involved in supplies, no, in electricity bulbs and everything, no. Now, the only link to Michael Yang is Lincoln Ong, but of course Lincoln Ong has already divested doon sa Omni. Okay. Now, but ang diretso ngayon dito is yung Empire 999 at saka Yata Industrial, in which nandito si Willie Ong at saka si Eddie Yang. Ito po ngayon yung subject for freeze order na i-request natin sa AMLA. At the same time, of course, we have to ask the permission of the EAS to issue also a freeze order, no, requesting for AMLA. Malacanang na po. Okay. Now, itong sa baba, sa second layer, itong Empire 999, in which ito sa subject for freeze order, no? At Golden Sun, Fullwind Group of Companies, Paile State Group Corporation, saka Paile Holdings, yung sa ibaba. Itong lahat ito, Michael Yang is involved. At ito po ay bumagsak doon sa Committee on Dangerous Drugs. Kasi during the investigation, Michael Yang was represented by Attorney Fortune, in which during the investigation, he cannot produce an authority for Michael Yang, coming from Michael Yang. So in-excuse natin, but he submitted all the corporations in which Michael Yang is involved, and at the same time, he is the legal counsel of all of this. He confirmed this because we have an official document submitted to the committee na indeed all these companies, Michael Yang is involved.
Patay.
So ganito po. Now,
O, di ba mga babae, no, patuloy na natin doon, no. So ngayon mga streetways, no, ganyan po yung naging resulta po ng investigasyon po ng House. So isipin nyo, no, Michael Yang, si Michael Yang na nagpapasok, di ba? Si Michael Yang na ang nagpapasok ng pogo, ng droga, ng human trafficking, di ba? Pati money laundering sa Pilipinas, at syempre matalik po siya na kaibigan ni Digong at ginawa pang financial advisor. So doon pa ba mga kababayan, hindi pa ba tayo magtataka doon? Doon sa mga DS na nakukuha dyan, mabuhakan ng ina nyo, hindi pa kayo gigising. Mga hayop kayo, mga, ewan ko ba, no? Kakainis eh. Di ba? Ganyan po tayo niloko ni Duterte. At ngayon, mga kababayan, no, mayroong pinasasakin dito na magpi-people power daw po yung mga DDS. Pinasasakin ngayon ito ni Ma'am Tess. O, basahin ko mamaya, no? So, nag-post si Harry Roque, dahil daw po sa mga pangyayari po na to, na pag-booking sa mga Duterte, at saka sa pag-booking din po kay Harry Roque, is magpi-people power daw po sila. Isama nyo pa po dyan, pati yung pagpapa-aresto kay Digong ng Interpol ng administrasyon na to. So, magpi-people power daw sila. So, in your face, mga hayop kayo. In your peace, you can see me. Di ba? Ganyan po tayo binaboy ni Duterte nang hindi po natin alam. Di ba? Si Duterte po, magaling po na politician, pero demonyo palang tao. Di ba? So yun mga kababayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. So dyan po sa 1,100 po na nanonood. So konti na lang mga ka-streetways, no? Makaka 1,000 likes na po itong content na to. So paki-like na lang po, no? So maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. At kayo po, ano po nga po masabi nyo nga po dito sa resulta nga po ng investigasyon po ng Kongreso na pinangungunahan nga po ni Congressman Abante at saka ni Dan Fernandez. So kayo ba naniniwala ba kayo dito or on denial pa rin po kayo? 'Di ba?